Hi, my dear students of class 8. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to discuss the life in desert. Before this, we have to know what is desert. So, desert are the landscape which is covered by numerous sand like ocean of never ending sand. The desert area climate is very dry and there is very minimum rainfall. So the weather is very dry and hot. There are some desert, those are cold also, but the hot, dry and harsh climate are the characteristic feature of desert. So life in desert is very much complicated and hard. Though some plants, some animals and human too manage to survive in those harsh climate. So we are going to discuss part-wise plant, animal and human. At first, let's know what are the hot desert. Sahara desert is hot. Our Thar desert is hot. The Rajasthan area, Thar area is hot. Arabian desert is hot. But Gobi desert is very much cold desert. I mean temperature there is very low. In hot desert also in night time the climate weather become very cool when temperature goes down as sand releases heat energy very soon. So the desert in the daytime they are normally very hot and dry, but in night the temperature cools down rapidly. So just discuss the what are the major plants found in desert. These are cactus, joshua, saguaro and mesquite. So let's know what are these. We all have seen cactus. Cactus are those plants whose leaves turns into spine. Why? Because they are native of those desert, and in the hot area leaf may transpire the excessive water. To, to save the water they turns the leaf into spine so that they can save the water as there are very minimum rainfall. So if leaf is turned into spine, then how they do photosynthesis? From where they will get the food? To solve that problem, the cactus stem become leaf-like. They flattened and become leaf-like and they are green and they photosynthesize. And the stem part also have the stomata so that they can do the air exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. Next, uh, so cactus reserve food in their stem and they reserve water also in their stem. So the people from desert in very tough condition they acquire water from cactus. The cactus stem inner part is also edible by natives of desert. Next is Joshua. Joshua is a plant which belongs to family Asparagaceae. Asparagus is also the member of Asparagaceae family. So these are cactus-like structure. But they are not of family Cactaceae. Cactus are from family Cactaceae, but Joshua are from family Asparagaceae, and they bloom yellow colored flower. They are not with pleasant scent. They have very foul smell, and they bear greenish brownish fruit. Joshua also very long, in their life is very long. They can live up to 200 years and they reserve their water in their root. So people can dig it out the root and consume the watery root. Next one is saguaro. Saguaro also a cactus of family Cactaceae, but these are 50 feet. I mean, they can reach up to the height of 50 feet, and they also have very long life, up to 200 years. They can store 6 to 8 ton of water in their stem. So these saguaro also give uh, water to the native of those deserts. One main feature of these cactus, they reproduce very fast. When they bloom in one night, and when their flower blooms in night, and they does pollination and fertilization, and they dries out in the next day. Okay. Okay. Next one is mesquite. Mesquite is of family Leguminosae. Yes, the pea family. But these leaves are very small, and as they transpire the water of the body, so these plants, they send their root deep down to the sand to reach the water. I mean, they are very deep rooted plant. The mesquite fruits are leguminous fruit, and they are edible. Okay, and the Joshua tree, the bark is very much tough, so that they can give plate and bowl from their bark. I mean, people can make bowl and dishes from their hard bark. Okay, as desert are made up of sand, but beneath the sand there is rock, and beneath the rock there will be underground water. Sometimes there may be crack in the rock, and water ooze out from the inner layer of rock. Then groundwater ooze out, and so the area become damp, and some plants uh, begin to grow there, and slowly there is a formation of water body. So these water body of desert are known as oases. These water body are the center of life in desert. So there, these water body attract animals also to fulfill their water need. Now